me give you an offer. So if I'm going to give her an offer, and let's just say this went better and I discovered she needs X, Y, and Z, I'm going to be ready in this first conversation to bring up an offer. And how do I bring up an offer when this is the first conversation? I'm going to have offers to show her of other things that I have done with others. So you guys got to be ready with some sort of offer. So let me green one that's not weird. This one's kind of weird. This one's okay. So let's just say the conversation went a little different and we discovered that Halley is wanting more leads, because that's true. You want more leads, right? And let's just say Halley also told me that she is not totally confident with her listings and would like to get better at her process, her conversion of getting a listing, and do it with more purpose, because right now she kind of wings it and, she doesn't get them half the time. And let's just say she also needed someone to help with transaction management or some type of help. In an offer, I would be ready to show her what classes, what topic or coaching I would do for her, what model or concept I'd introduce her to, who in my office I would connect her with to solve whatever problems we came up with. Okay. So back to not having enough leads. In that offer, one of the things I offer is to do a deep dive on her database. Get into that, like get a plan going, get a custom 36 touch that she'd be proud of.